Hi, this is just to show you how to send your students back to the waiting room if you need to do that in order to make sure they are all in a contained place during a fire drill, and if you have time to do it. So just a reminder that one option is to end your meeting altogether and tell your students at home that they should rejoin the meeting in 2 to 3 minutes, and they can wait in Zoom purgatory until you launch the meeting again. But the other option is to put them back in the waiting room. So you do need to have this participants panel open. If you don't have that open when the fire drill starts, you just click the participants button and it will open that panel. And then it's as easy as for each student that you want to send, you click the more button and put them in the waiting room. So my waiting room is, my participant in the waiting room is my iPad. So you can see that it put my iPad student in my waiting room, and they're just hanging out there until I come back and fetch them. So it's as easy as that. It's not that many clicks. If you had, 8 or 9 students who are virtual at that time, it would be easy enough to click the more, put in waiting room 8 times, and get all of them back into that sort of spot where they're all by themselves in that waiting room and waiting for you to come back. Otherwise, you can click end and end the meeting for all, and then tell them to rejoin in another 2 or 3 minutes. Thanks.